Tonight, April 3rd, Preservation Virginia had planned to honor individuals, organizations, and projects that represent exceptional and inspirational preservation efforts in all corners of the Commonwealth. Instead, we're staying at home in order to flatten the curve of the pandemic. We are awed by the sacrifice and courage of all the healthcare providers, first responders, grocery store workers, and others who are manning the front lines in this unprecedented time. And like you, we're concerned about our family, friends, and our communities as we face this unprecedented crisis together. And I bet you too are working remotely. Undaunted, our staff team has been busy sharing restoration stories, highlights from our collection, features about our community work through our e-news and social media channels. And rest assured, our advocacy efforts on the James River, Rassawick, in the General Assembly, and in Congress continue, just not face to face. We're driven to do so because historic places matter. They matter more today than ever before. They help sustain our souls, they contribute to our economies, and they reflect the resiliencies of our communities, Commonwealth, and nation. Because of people like you and our 131-year history, Preservation Virginia has weathered the impacts of world wars, the 1918 influenza, the Great Depression, and the Great Recession. We're going to get through this. We're going to need your support more than ever in the coming weeks and months. If you were intending to visit one of our historic sites, consider turning that admission fee into a donation. If you're inspired by our work, become a monthly subscriber. Were you intending to come to the awards ceremony but hadn't yet bought your ticket? Please consider that a donation. We need your help in the short term so we can be stronger in the long term. Now tonight we can't occupy the same room, but we can honor the award recipients and do the next best thing. Over this weekend, we will premiere 2 short films. The first features Preservation Virginia and our impact across the Commonwealth. The second will highlight 7 of our 8 award winners: Chloe Shelton, E.J. Scott, Literacy Interactives, Restoration Housing, Sharon Virts, and Scott Miller, as well as Halifax County Historical Society, and the Virginia Beach Historic Preservation Commission. Look on Facebook, in your inbox, and on our YouTube channel to learn more and explore. When we all sit down for dinner on September 25th, we will honor David Rubenstein with the Trustees Award of Exceptional Achievement. We do so because of his commitment to Virginia's historic places and his belief that we are all more informed citizens by learning our history. His leadership has pioneered a new form of philanthropy, patriotic philanthropy. It inspires all of us to give back to our nation, and that's what we need to do today. Thank you for caring about historic places. Thank you for supporting Preservation Virginia.